Good morning again, everyone. I'm in Hertfordshire today and I'm outside the 3 Tons pub here in Great Hormead. I'm doing a little walk out of the 50 Walks in Hertfordshire book. It's Great and Little Hormead. It's a 4-mile walk, should take me about 2 hours. You're going to want OS Explorer map 194, Hertford and Bishop Stortford, Buntingford and Clavering. The weather, as you can see, is quite sunny today. It was raining earlier. I'm joined by Candice again.
Morning.
She's here. We've just had a little look at the ROC post and Aulett Tower from the Cold War at Brent Pelham, which is not far away. It's about 9 minutes drive. And yeah, we thought let's do a cheeky little day walk as well. So anyways, enough talking, let's get walking. The Hormeads are a very attractive pair of villages in northeast Hertfordshire's rich boulder clay corn country, though Little Hormead is now just a few houses. Much of this walk is through arable land, cut into by streams heading south towards the River Rib. Until 1886, the Hormeads were 2 separate parishes, Little to the south and Great to the north. The history of the parishes is one of a steady drift northwards to Hormead Road, the east-west road which runs from Buntingford to Newport and Saffron Walden in Essex. The churches are well to the south, close to their manor houses. St Nicholas's Church dates from some time in the 13th century, but is mostly 14th and 15th century in appearance. It was heavily restored in 1874 when the chancel was rebuilt. A number of grotesque corbels survive, particularly in the south aisle, and as always give an insight into the sense of humour of medieval stone carvers. we've just entered the tiny village of Little Hormead, and there's a lot of history dating back here. There's Little Hormead Bury, the big house, and all the barns have been converted into houses now. But most importantly of all, and interesting of all, is its Norman parish church. Tiny little church. So yeah, we're being treated today. We've only just had a look at Great Hormead's parish church. Now we're seeing another one. Look at that, it's got a big house. Little Hormead Bury. We're going to be carrying along there, I believe, but once again we're going to stop and have a look in the church. So once again, you know the score. Let's go through that door. Candice has just sadly informed me that there'll be no going through that door because it's shut and it's under renovation, did you say?
Yeah, renovation.
By the Churches Trust.
Yeah, St Mary's Church.
Oh well, it's a shame anyway, but lovely little church though, and yeah, dates from a Norman period, it says in the book. So
yeah, door's 12th century.
The door's 12th century.
Yeah.
I should go and have a look. St Mary's in Little Hormead is the original church for the old parish which divided when the grander St Nicholas's Church was built. It's a more humble affair, with a Norman nave and a chancel rebuilt around 1220. The most well-known part of the church is the former north door, on display inside. This has elaborate interlacing strapwork in 2 panels and a scrolly frieze border. The ironwork dates from the 12th century and is a rare survivor. The royal arms over the chancel arch is dated 1660, the year of the restoration of Charles II, demonstrating either royalist fervour or diplomatic nous. Oh, look at them socks.
Huh?
Look at them. You robbing a bank? Gorgeous. Right, we're back in Great Hormead. Just outside of the village, we've turned onto this little footpath next to Hall Lane, which will be coming back down on the way back to the pub. And this little stream here is called the Black Ditch. Spooky sounding. Really lovely round here. A lot of thatched cottages. There's a couple through there. Don't know if you can see them though. And yeah, oh, someone's had a tyre swing there. Either that or the locals have been hanging someone again. Anyway, oh, there's actually a noose on it as well. It's a very short person they've hung though. Look. Yeah, shorter than Candice even. Anyways, right, watch it. You're going to get a kick in the balls, Tom. Right, yeah, that's the Black Ditch. Lovely. Let's continue. 16th and 17th century houses are congregated along the through route, the B1038. Along this picturesque main street, with a stream along its south side, you'll see good timber-framed houses, some thatched. Right, welcome back. As you can see, we're outside the 3 Tons pub here in Great Hormead. We've finished the walk. It was a pretty decent little walk. The weather's lovely. Unfortunately, they've stopped serving food though, so we can only get a drink, but still, we've earned it anyway. Right, we'll see you in there. Okay, got some bad news. The pub wasn't open, but luckily I always keep a few little ciders handy just in case. So I've got this this Aspel organic cider. So Candice loves Aspel, so that's the one I bought out today. So we've cracked this open. It's quite tasty. 7%. Bloody hell! You're drinking the majority of this. I've got to drive. Yeah. Anyway, it's not bad. It's pretty decent. Established in 1728. What else can I tell you about it? Of course, it's from Suffolk. Organic Suffolk cider. Perenelle Chevalier was a pioneer of the organic movement and co-founded the Soil Association in 1946. We are the longest standing holders of Soil Association accreditation. The taste description is chewy and earthy with a rustic quality and an extra astringency from the tannins. Very fancy. It's definitely not Strongbow. Serving suggestion: tasty with sausage and mash, chorizo pizza, spaghetti bolognese, Mediterranean vegetable lasagna, and this is my favourite one of all, and well hung game. Cheeky. Anyway, Candice is liking that. Well hung game. Anyway, she's like, piss off. Anyway, yeah, know your limits. Yeah, 7%. It's not bad. And Aspel's from Stowmarket in Suffolk. I've been there. Anyways, yeah. So all that leaves me to say is we're going to give that, what do you reckon? 8 out of 10. Candice has spoken. She's giving Aspel organic cider from Suffolk 8 out of 10. And yeah, it's the end of the walk. Hope you've enjoyed it. We certainly have. It's been great fun. Lots of history. We've had a great day out. So yeah, cheers for watching. Thanks for the support as always. And yeah, I look forward to hearing from you in the comments. And you'll see me again soon. Cheers. Bye bye.